Hello and welcome to a brand new trip report on my channel. Today I'm taking you on a journey from Doha to Frankfurt on board a QATAR Airways Boeing 777-300ER, and it's no ordinary flight. We'll be experiencing QATAR Airways exclusive Qsuite. But before we take off, I invite you to join me as we explore the Mourjan Lounge here in Doha. The Mourjan Lounge is huge and extremely modern. It has everything you could possibly imagine in a lounge. The atmosphere here is incredibly calm and serene, which is perfect for the next 5 hours of my layover. There are very clean restrooms and showers in the lounge as well. But the real showstopper of this lounge has to be the pond area, creating a relaxing ambience. But now it's time for the highlight, the dining area. There's a comfortable seating area and a small buffet. Even better, you can order dishes a la carte. I chose 6 pieces of sushi and they were the best I've ever eaten. With my flight leaving in just 1 hour, it's time for me to leave the lounge and make my way to the plane. Now it's time for the exciting moment as we board QATAR Airways Boeing 777-300ER and explore the Qsuite. The seating configuration in the Qsuite is designed to offer maximum privacy and flexibility. Each suite can be closed by a sliding door, allowing you to create your own private oasis in the sky. The middle suites can be converted into a quad arrangement, perfect for travelers or families who want to socialize during the flight. Our seat is in the first row right in the middle of the cabin. This location provides an additional feeling of exclusivity. As I sit down, I discovered a soft pillow for my back, another pillow which you are even allowed to take home with you, a blanket and an amenity kit. A welcome drink was offered, setting a pleasant tone for the journey ahead. I switched to seat 5K for takeoff because it offers a fantastic engine view. If I was traveling alone, I would definitely choose seat 5K. It offers not only a great view, but also is a unique experience as you are flying backwards. So sit back, relax and let's enjoy the flight together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. I love the small white pillows provided at each seat. There are different versions of these pillows, each with its own unique design. It's a small touch, but it adds a personalized feel to the experience. Now let's take a closer look at the seat controls, which offer numerous options for your comfort. You will find a universal power outlet, a USB port, even a HDMI port, and the option to pay contactless.
حرصا على سلامتكم للراكبة وعلى تبع الجسدي وعدم تنقل الرحلة وعند الحاجة لاستخدام حمام يرجى تجنب الوقوف في انتظار الصف.
suddenly you realize that everything you'd ever told yourself were lies. And believe me, I can sympathize, 'cause everything I ever thought I was made me cry.
Back at my seat, I lowered the divider between the two seats to get a double bed. This is the table, which can be easily unfolded for dining or working. The seat also comes with a coat hook and a personal dimmable reading lamp. QATAR Airways has also provided a protection kit and a disinfectant wipe. Now, let's take a look at the Amenity Kit provided by Bricks. We have a lip balm, a sleep mask, facial mist, moisturizer, socks and earplugs. Shortly after takeoff, the attentive cabin crew asked if I'd like to have breakfast. Since I wasn't really hungry, I chose a cup of coffee and a croissant with jam, complemented by a glass of water. Now it's time to catch some rest. I've closed both doors and reclined my seat to a fully flat 180-degree position. I'm looking forward to wake up to a delightful lunch later in the flight. After my nap, I decided to order a glass of champagne to start off this phase of the flight. However, I noticed that the cabin was experiencing some turbulence, so I thought it might be the best to wait a bit before having my meal. There were some warm nuts coming with that glass of champagne. Let's explore the storage space on the left side of my seat. Here you'll find a bottle of water, a waste bag and noise-cancelling headphones. I decided to order a hot chocolate and it came with a soft cookie. Now it's finally time for the main meal. So let's take a look at the menu card. QATAR Airways offers a light option, which I will show you in a minute. You have 2 appetizer options, and for the main course there are 3 dishes to choose from. The variety doesn't end with the food. QATAR Airways offers an extensive selection of beverages as well. There are 2 types of champagne, along with a diverse array of white and red wines. You can also order spirits and cocktails. For my appetizer, I decided to go with the meat option, and I must say the presentation was beautiful. The dish was served with a glass of water, butter, vinegar, oil, and a trio of bread. Moving on to the main course, I opted for the lamb with rice. Both the appetizer and the main course were very good. To complete the meal, I decided to order one of QATAR Airways' signature mocktails. Let's not forget about the snack platter, which is another excellent dining option. It provides a variety of tasty bites for those who are not so hungry. Let me show you the Inflight infotainment system real quick. The selection of entertainment options is impressive, with a range of current movies, TV series, and a fantastic moving map. This is what the safety cards in the QATAR AIRWAYS Qsuite look like. For landing, I switched to seat 1A, which again is a rear-facing seat. Let's enjoy a few final impressions of the Qsuite together. We just landed in Frankfurt. I'm glad you joined me on today's journey. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.